First, where would you like your spa on the property? Your Barefoot spa should be installed at a location that has a flat, level surface built to code, with adequate access for regular maintenance and service. Refer to the specifications of your spa to ensure you have enough space. Take into consideration spa accessories like steps and cover lifters. Whether you elect for professional placement or not, you will want to address any possible obstacles that may impede access to the area. If you are unsure of how these obstacles may affect your delivery, please contact us for help. There are 3 types of delivery depending on your site and needs: dropship, placement, and non-standard placement. A drop shipment of your Barefoot spa is included with your purchase for no additional charge. When you are ready, we will bring the spa to your residence and offload it at the front of your residence. If you choose to upgrade to a placement delivery, our team will coordinate with professionals who will arrange for the spa to be placed where you want it on your property. If the professionals recommend additional equipment in order for your product to be properly placed, this would be a non-standard delivery and additional charges may apply. Once your spa is in its final destination, be sure to check that all the items you ordered are included and inspect the packaging for any damage and notate it on your delivery ticket. It is very important that you hire a qualified professional for the installation. Additional information on the electrical requirements and installation can be found on our website.